3 plants that are perfect for indoor placement and very easy to care for. What plant's leaves are prettier than flowers? That would be the all-painting spider plant, also known as the wedding spider plant. Its leaves are as beautiful as a rainbow, and placing it in the bedroom not only purifies the air, but also beautifies the environment. Once it flowers, it symbolizes continuous good luck and happiness, and even beginner growers can have great success with it. Do you know what plants are good for your health? In the bedroom then you must have a pot of philodendron. Its huge leaves not only absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, but also remove harmful substances from the air, which greatly aids in sleep. If you have mosquitoes at home, it's recommended to have a few pots of pistachio wine. Manifolia, keeping it indoors will drive away mosquitoes in the house. It's not picky about the environment or soil. Just give it some water and it'll thrive.